Shut up, Dave!
I would take off of you.
You don't have that on mute?
Well, no, I don't want to messing her up.
Copy that.
She's been eating Ava, get to work. Fine.
We're gonna go after this video earlier and just gonna do the bell clicking and then
All right, well,
I didn't bring my baby.
no, here, I got some right here. Oh, she's got it. She's got it. She's got it. She just needs to figure out which way it's coming from. Yeah, she's got it. Maybe take a step in. Take a step in, Heidi.
Sure.
There you go. Perfect. She's got it. She's still figuring out the source.
Figure it out.
I wouldn't do anything. I just let her figure it out. She's not wanting to go away from you. I just stay. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There you go. Big nothing. Okay. Leave her alone! He did not follow directions.
Robert!
Leave her alone! Robert, leave her alone!
Somebody, he's got a radio. Who's got a radio? Tell him on the radio.
Jeez. See if you can do it a second time. Well, never mind. He's playing with her too much.